Hello Odooers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will see how to create calendar view in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So the calendar view in Odoo is used to visually manage date-based records. It helps user to see important dates like event, deadline or opening in a familiar calendar format. So instead of scrolling through the list, user can quickly understand their daily, weekly or monthly planning and the productivity. And we already added the how to create the form view, list view and graph view in Odoo, so you can refer that video. So in this video, we will see how to create the calendar view. So before creating the calendar view, you must have filled date into your model. So we create the calendar view for the mol.mol object. So we have a date field into this mol.mol object. So now we add a calendar view into the XML file. So we create the record for the calendar view. We write unique ID, then write model ir.ui.view, then write unique name, then into the model we write mol.mol, then we write field name is equal to arch. This is the basic syntax. And for creating the calendar view, we have to add calendar tag like this. Then we add string mol calendar, and into the date underscore start attribute we have to write the date field that we have into the custom model. So I already saw we have a date field in the mol.mol object, so I added date. Then we write color is equal to color to add different colors on the records, and then we write mode is equal to month to set calendar in a monthly basis, and then we add a name and state field into the calendar view. You can add more field into the calendar view. So after creating the calendar view, we have to write the calendar into the action of the mol.mol object. So here I write calendar, then restart the server and upgrade your module and refresh this page. So this is the mol menu of mol.mol object, and here you can see the calendar view. Already set mode is equal to month into the calendar view, so this calendar came based on month. You can set mode daily, weekly, yearly from here. And this is the two records that we already have into the mol.mol object. You can also create new record from here. So click on the 21 date, you can create new record like this, and you can edit the record like this. Click on this record, then you can see the name and state field that we added into the calendar view. Then click on the edit button, and then you can edit the record. So this is how we can add calendar view in Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.